גמרת? בנדר, אתה מוכן? תגידו ביחד. עוד פעם. זה... רגע, אתה ראית איך אני עושה להם? זה הנקבה או הזכר? זה הנקבה.
The Alliance to End Chickens as Kaporis is an association of individuals and groups who are here to speak up for the chickens and for the fact that chickens are not needed in this Kaporis ceremony, which is conducted by members of the Hasidim or the ultra-Orthodox Jewish community, whereby they force chickens to be to symbolically take on the punishment that the observer, that is the sinner, would be meted out by their God. In other words, the chicken undergoes the symbolic punishment for the human sinner. And the chickens are treated very badly in that role, in this ritual. The chickens who are in all of the transport crates here, there must be about 1,000 birds at this particular location. They have been without food and water for who knows how many days. They are starving. They are experiencing dehydration. They are forced to sit outside in all kinds of weather without any cover, without any show of compassion. On the contrary, they are treated like trash. These birds are grabbed very cruelly by their wings, and people here who take part in this ritual, this ugly, cruel ritual, will often stand around and hold these poor birds by their wings, which is extremely painful for the birds and can cause injuries, including torn ligaments, broken wings, and so on. Then these birds are chosen to be waved or swung over a practitioner's head who chants something about, "This is my substitute, this is my atonement, so that I may have a happy, peaceful life in the next year." And then either right then and there or subsequently, the birds are held by the slaughterer who slaughters them, who slices their throats with a knife, as in this picture that I'm holding right here, which is a very horrible death because nobody wants to be euthanized, that is, given a mercy killing, by having their throats cut, because everybody knows it's a cruel, a painful, terrifying death where you're choking on your own blood, and it's a horrible death, and yet that's what every one of these poor baby birds is going to be put through for nothing at all. People don't need to swing chickens, they don't need to use chickens for atonement, and none of us needs to eat any chickens either. We do want to always point out to people that these chickens in this Kaporis ritual are treated atrociously, but so was every chicken on people's plates. So what we're trying to do is to help people to have a more compassionate understanding of chickens and a more compassionate understanding of what animals go through in these rituals and to become food, and to urge people to move in the direction of a more compassionate, a more caring, a more peaceful and peace-loving way of living. That's why we're here. We have three main arguments against the use of chickens in Kaporis rituals. First of all, this is animal cruelty. Secondly, Jewish law does not require the use of chickens or any other animals in the ritual. And the third argument that we make against the use of chickens in Kaporis rituals is that there is a humane alternative. People practicing Kaporis can use money. They can swing money around their heads and do their chant, and then they put the money, like the coins, in like a handkerchief or a little pouch, and they swing it over their heads, and they say their chant for prayer for peace for themselves, and then they can give their money directly to charity, the charity of their choice.
Oh my gosh. Hey, I want to get that.
Hey, stop,
have a place for them.
I'm not.
Is she here?